The weather has cleared up considerably, but unexpected rainstorms that hit early this morning and continued throughout most of the day has caused a large amount of flooding throughout the island. With hurricane season right around the corner, it has left many to ask the question, are we prepared? Many businesses and schools closed early due to the rain, and it was total chaos in the Grace Bay area as the roads flooded. Business owners in that area had no choice but to contact local workers to remove the floodwater and to clean the drains to increase the water flow. Even the Providenciales Airport felt the effects of the heavy downpour and had to suspend their regular operations because of the bad weather.
Due to the adverse weather conditions that we experienced today and the resulting surface conditions, we've had to suspend operations into Providenciales, flight operations into Providenciales International Aerodrome.
Smith told News 4 that it isn't just the bad weather that they fear, but the substantial amount of water on the airport's taxiway and poor drainage systems of the airport that they are more concerned about.
It's a combination of both. I mean, the rain has reduced the visibility, so therefore, with the reduced visibility, operations were suspended. But as a result of the continual downpour, it resulted in flooding. With the flooding, we've ended up with one of our taxiways being closed, and we have probably about 8 inches of standing water on the apron. So because the drain facility is so poor at the airport, hence the need to fast track the work that we are looking to do.
3 of the aircraft stands were closed as a result of the flooding, and about 1/3 of the apron of the western side of the airport's ground was covered in about 8 to 9 inches of water, this causing airport officials to question the safety of landing. When asked why the main airport is faced with this kind of situation, Smith responded,
"The water table at Providenciales Airport is very shallow. Hence, it takes very little water for it to be subjected to flooding."
Many flights, according to Smith, had to land at an alternative destination to await the okay from the Providenciales Airports Authority branch in order to land here in Providenciales. But Smith says that they found windows and ways for some aircrafts to land during the bad weather. So why weren't all the flights allowed to land, and could these measures have produced a dangerous outcome?
No, it's not dangerous for it to land in this kind of weather. I mean, different aircrafts are equipped with different types of equipment. We don't allow an aircraft to land if we think it's unsafe. I mean, we're regulated. There are low ceilings and minimums that we are regulated to enforce. And at no point in time would we put compromise on that. Safety is first and foremost with us.
Hurricane season begins June 1st, and the airport has a very long way to go before they are fully prepared to face what could be an extreme condition. But Smith assures the public that they have a responsibility and they are dedicated to fulfill just that.
We have a responsibility to the public to ensure that we provide a safe environment for their operations, that we at all times place safety first. As soon as we're in a position to allow the continued operations, the suspension will be lifted and we return to normal operations.
For WIV4 News, I'm Amanda Miller.